Hello and welcome to episode 14 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. Things are moving slowly, but progress is better than perfection, right? So we'll go over a few of the things that we've had in the past few weeks. We got the windows in. So the windows and doors came in that were installed, most of them. We're still missing a few things. The plumber came in and he got that hooked up for the Jack and Jill bathroom. That's where the tub will be for the Jack and Jill bathroom, toilet. I'm moving over here. The windows for the master bedroom are right there. We got our sliding glass door in with the side windows. And then in the bathroom we added that little window up there. It's like really tall. We'll have some privacy, but some light. It'll be nice. Going out here on the deck. These are the new windows and doors that we got for the back part. So originally it was two sets of sliding glass doors, but now we just boxed that out and had windows replace the other set of sliding doors. So there's just one set. And then we got other windows up top right there. They're starting to work on the siding over here. That is board and batten siding. So we'll go down here. I am excited to show you what's going on in the basement. And down our steps, there's our little contraption that we still don't know exactly what we're doing with that yet. So going over here. Alright, with the doors for the basement, the wrong side was ordered. So it's the set of 3 doors and it's supposed to open on the right. Well, the ones that were ordered open on the left. So we gotta wait for those to come in. Not sure when those are coming in, but we boarded up that entry there because fun times inside. We had some with all the humidity that was coming into the basement, we had some mold starting to grow on the ceiling because it's so hot out here and with all that humidity and all that stuff coming in. But the good thing is that ceiling is being completely ripped out and redone. We're also going to pull out the paneling, that gorgeous paneling. But this is my favorite part right here. We opened up from the rec room. Yeah, that is the future rec room. That is the addition that we opened up into the basement kitchen. And then plumbing, there's going to be an island right there in the middle with a bar, an eat-up bar. So we'll have cabinets from here all the way around, kind of like an L shape. And then it opens up into the future rec room. So that's going to be like a living area right there with the dining area. And then the doors that'll go out onto the back porch. And it's amazing just to see when I came downstairs and it just opened right up. I just kind of took my breath away. It was pretty cool. So anyway, that is our latest update and stay tuned for our next episode.